21. If the area of a circular field is 13.5 hectares, the cost of fencing it at the rate of rupees 3 per meter is rupees pi r square is equal to 38.5 hectares. 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 square meter. 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 square meter. So multiply by 10,000. 1 shift that side, 1 0 will go. So this has become root of 1225 is 35. Root of 1225 is 35. Add 2 zeros. So 350. Before finding out the cost of fencing, we have to find out the perimeter. Perimeter is nothing but circumference of the circle. So 2 into pi value into 350. For each meter they are charging 3 rupees. If you multiply this thing, you will get 6,600. If you multiply this thing, you will get 6,600. So answer is 6,600. That is multiple choice B. Question number 22. A circular road runs through a circular ground. If the difference between the circumferences of the outer circle and inner circle is 264 centimeter, the width of the road is how many meters? A circular road runs through circular ground. This is the width of the road. For outer circle, you take capital R. For inside circle, you take small r. For outer circle, you take capital R. Inner circle, you take small r. The differences between the circumferences of the outer circle, inner sector is 264. So r minus r is equal to 264 by 2 pi. So r minus r is equal to 42. So answer is A, 42. The diameter of a wheel is 189 centimeters. In 100 revolutions it can travel how many meters? The diameter of a wheel is in the form of a circle. Wheel is in the form of a circle. So circumference formula is 2 pi r. So 2 into pi value into diameter is given. So radius will be half of the diameter. Diameter is given. So radius will be half of the diameter. This is 594. This is in 1 revolution. For 1 revolution, 594 centimeter. 100 revolution multiplied by 100. He is asking meter. 100 centimeter, 1 meter. 100 centimeter, 1 meter. So divide by 100. So 594 meters. So answer is 594 meters. That is multiple choice A. If a wheel makes 1000 revolutions in covering a distance of 88 kilometers, its diameter is how many meters? Question number 24. Two pi r is equal to 88. So r is equal to 88 by 2 pi. R is equal to 14 meters. They are asking diameter. So diameter will be double of the radius. They are asking diameter. Diameter will be double of the radius. So double of 14 is 28. So diameter is 28 meters. So answer is 28. Question number 25. The area of a trapezium is 3072 square centimeter. Its parallel sides are in the ratio of 3:5. If the perpendicular distance between them is 96 centimeters, the smaller of the parallel sides is how many centimeters? Trapezium. This is called trapezium. These two are called parallel sides. Those two are called non-parallel sides. This is called perpendicular height or perpendicular distance. That is called perpendicular height or perpendicular distance. Now write down the formula. Area of a trapezium, half into height into sum of the parallel sides. Area of a trapezium, half into height into sum of the parallel sides. Half into perpendicular height is given as 96. Sides are 3 and 5. We will take it 3x and 5x. Sum, so 8x is equal to 3072. So x value comes to 8. We have to find out the smaller side. 3x is the smaller side. X value is 8. 3 into 8, 24. So answer is 24. Question number 26. The length in meters of a rope by which a cow must be tethered in order that it may graze over an area of 3850 square meters is how many meters? First we should know the meaning of tether. What is the meaning of tether? They will take a rope, make it in the form of a circular form, put head of the cow and they will pull. So circle, pi r square. So pi r square is equal to 3850. So R is equal to 35. That is multiple choice D. Question number 27. If the area of a square field is 96,800 square meter, its diagonal is how many meters? This is similar to 14th problem. This is similar to 14th problem. D is equal to root of 2 into area. This is 96,800. 2 into 96,800. This is come to 1936. Root of 1936 is 44, 440. Root of 1936, 44, 440. So answer is 440 centimeters. Question number 28. If a square field has 81 square hectometer means hectare. The time taken to walk around it at the rate of 9 km per hour is how many minutes? Question number 28. Area is equal to 81 square hectometer. Square hectometer is nothing but hectare. So 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 square meter. So multiply by 10,000. 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 square meter. Multiply by hectare. Therefore side is equal to root of area. Root of 81 is 9, that you know. For 4 zeros you take 2 zeros. So side is 900 meters. Before finding out the time taken, we have to find out the perimeter. Perimeter of a square. 4 into side, that is 3600 meters. We have to find out the time. Time is equal to distance by speed. We have to find out the time. Time is equal to distance by speed. Distance walked is 300 kilometers. 1 kmph. Convert it into meter because this is in meter. 9 kilometer means 9,000 meters. He is asking the time in minutes. So 60 minutes, 1 hour. He is asking the time in minutes. So 60 minutes, 1 hour. So answer is 24 minutes. That is multiple choice C. If a square park has 576 square hectometer, the time taken to walk around it at the rate of 12 km per hour is how many minutes? Question number 29. One hectare is 10,000 square meter. 1 hectare is 10,000 square meter. So multiply by 10,000. Therefore, side is equal to root of the area. Therefore, side is equal to root of the area. Root of 576 is 24. For 4 zeros, you take 2 zeros. Perimeter is equal to 4 into side. Perimeter is equal to 4 into side. That is 9,600 meters. Therefore, time is equal to distance by speed. This is the distance, 12 km per hour into 60. 48 minutes. So answer is 48 minutes. That is multiple choice C. If the radius of a circular wheel is 1.75 meters, how many revolutions it will make in traveling 11 kilometers? Circumference is equal to 2 pi r, 2 into pi value into 1.75, convert it into improper fraction. 1.75, convert it into improper fraction. So divide by 100. 1 3 by 4 is mixed number. So improper fraction will be 7 by 4. This will cancel 2 times, this will cancel 11 times. They are asking number of revolutions. So number of revolutions is equal to 11 kilometers, that is 11,000 meters. Number of revolutions is equal to 11 kilometers, that is 11,000 meters by 11, so 1000 meters. So answer is 1000. That is multiple choice B.